Well, good morning. The crop estimate just came out, supply and demand report, also the production report. We'll go over this starting with grains and then look at the reaction of the market. I'll tell you right away, all of these reports were negative. Negative for corn, soybeans, also negative for wheat. The estimates for yield for corn and beans were off quite a bit, much bigger yields than I thought. Of course, that factors into carry out. And so we'll look at that. First, in corn, the production number was 14.153 billion bushels. The average guess was 13.841 billion bushels. Big number. Soybeans, the number came out at 4.381 billion bushels for production. The guess was 4.202 billion bushels. Wheat, the number came out at 1.739 billion bushels. They thought was 1.713. So wheat was closer than corn and soybeans. You have to look at the yield here. Corn, they thought it was going to be 166 bushel to the acre average. It came out at 169.5. Wow. Soybeans, same thing. They thought it would be 47.4 bushels to the acre average. It came out at 49.4. Well, that has to wash through all these numbers. Carry out, it shows up here. The ending stock for corn, they thought it would be 2.366, came out at 2.370. Soybeans, they thought it would be 401. It came out, the ending stocks came out at 370. So ending stocks actually were down. That's in 2016, 2017. So those numbers I just described were for this past year. Wheat, the average guess was 1.185. It came out at 1.184. The numbers are here for ending stocks for 2017, 2018. The corn number came out today at 2.273 billion bushels. They thought it was going to be 1.966 billion bushels. The soybeans, the number came out at 475 million bushels. They thought it would be 426 million bushels is what they thought the ending stocks would be for 2017-18 for wheat. The number came out at 933 million bushels. They thought it would be 907 million bushels. So look, it's everything was overestimated, but it goes back to the yield numbers that no one thought the yields were going to be like this. They thought they would all be lower. So let's go now to, well, let's look at the reaction. Soybeans, before this report, soybeans were up 10 3/4. Right now, November soybeans are down 23. We've had a 33-cent drop from where we were trading at the time. Let's go to corn. The corn market was up 1.25 pennies before this report. Right now, December corn is down 10 cents, trading at 376. The wheat number, wheat was trading in September down 1.5 pennies before the report. Right now, September wheat's at down 10. So across the board, everything's lower and reacting to this. Now let's go to cotton. I'll tell you, not a bigger number than they thought. And I even questioned as I looked on CQG, is this right? So I apologize if I've come up with a wrong number here, but it's what it was showing, 19.77 million bales. It's production estimate. They thought it was going to be 18.83. That almost looks wrong. It's so big. But if you look at, and let's look at ending stocks. The 2016-17 was a tight number, 2.8 million bales. So that was lower than they thought. The 2017-2018 ending stocks was 5.8. That was bigger than they thought. They thought the number would be closer to 4.8. So what happened here with these numbers? Well, the market, based on the exports that came out this morning, was already reacting in a negative way. Those exports were light when they came out this morning. And we were going into this report down 110. Right now, believe it or not, this market's down 264. It's trading at 68.58. It's only, the low is 68.53. The high made overnight was 71.19. Massive reversal off these highs made last night. So we were leaning down when this report came out, and we've dropped another notch. Limit on the day's 300 points. We're only 43 points away from limit down right now. These are shocking numbers, I think. for cotton, if I have pulled off the wire what is the correct number, that's a very big crop, far bigger than anyone thought. That's it. And we'll have a little wrap up here closer to 12:45 this afternoon, and we'll see what the market's done. But that's it for today. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.